Hello, all of my 1B readers. So, welcome to our very first 1B reading group lesson. We are going to start by talking about some different word families. So, today we are going to start with our very first word family. So, I would love for all of you to take a look at the list of words that I have for you and tell me, what is the same about all of these words? What do they have in common? Great, you're right. They all have this ET or the et sound at the end. So now that you know what is the same about all of them, I would love for all of you to think about a power word that also has that in the word as well. Oh, I heard somebody say it. It is the power word get. So all of these words are just like the word get. They all have this et or the et sound at the very end. So let's take a minute and practice all of these words that we have on our list. So we start with our power word get, gets. We have bet, bets, jet, jets, set, sets, pet, pets, vet, vets, net, nets, let, let's, met, mets, yet, and wet. Perfect. You guys did an excellent job reading all of those. So now we're going to practice some flashcards with these words before we go any further. Get, jet, bet, set, pet, vet, net, let, met, yet, wet. Now I have two more for you guys that are a little bit trickier, so I'm gonna try and trick you for a second. So what is this word? Now remember, because it's a little bit trickier, we could work on chunking it and breaking it down into smaller parts that we already know. So first, let's cover up the beginning of it. So we already know that the et at the end makes the et sound, just like the word get. Now, what if we switch it and we cover up the end, and the beginning we have fr? What sound does the blend fr make? That's right, it says fur. So now put it all together and you have fret, fret. Nice job. I have one more that's a little tricky. Oh, I hear some of you trying to put this together and chunk it with that blend in the beginning. So we have the BR. BR makes the brr, and then you put that et at the end and you have Brett. Brett. Nice job, my 1B friends. So now that we have worked on all of these great words that go along with this word family. I'll hang this back up so that you guys can see it. Attached is going to be a slide that will show you what you're going to do after you practice all of these words. So remember, you can always rewind the video or look at this word list and practice these et words. If you have flashcards, you can make flashcards to practice them. And the next thing you're going to do is go into your ARC bookshelf, and you're going to find the book called Zoology, Animals and Tools. This book is so cool. I've read it with a few of my friends. And you're going to go to page 8 and 9 and read the page about dolphins. I have a couple of questions for you guys to answer, and then you're going to make a list of all the E-T or et words that you find in the book. So make sure that you guys see the attached slide to tell you what to do. And in the meantime, I'll see you guys on Wednesday, and keep practicing these words.